हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रो टैलेंट एंड आई एम नितिन परमार। दोस्तों, आई एम श्योर आप सब लोग IIM IPM की तगड़ी तैयारी कर रहे होंगे एंड एट दिस जंक्चर because you know your examination is in the month of July, ठीक है, जो there is a good possibility that this will be conducted, you can say based on, you can say a normal home based online examination. So आप इस डेट को you can say मान के अभी से तैयारी कर सकते हैं, yes or no? So now when you are looking at July examination for IIM IPM Indore, you must be asking lot of question कि सर लास्ट ईयर का एग्जाम कैसा रहा था, ये सुनो कितने मार्क्स चाहिए ताकि आई कैन गेट इनटू दिस एग्जामिनेशन और उसके मुताबिक मैं मेरे मॉक में मेहनत करना चालू करूं, ये सुनो। सो दोस्तों, लेट्स स्टार्ट टू डिस्कस अबाउट यू कैन से हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आर नीडेड, एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न last year, what was the examination pattern the previous year, that is in 2019, and what you can expect. Let's start. सो दोस्तों, सबसे पहली चीज अगर मैं बात करूं, लास्ट ईयर के एग्जामिनेशन में काफी बड़ा बदलाव आया था. इट वाज नॉट कंप्लीट 2 hour पेपर, इट वाज ओनली 90 minute पेपर. दोस्तों, it was only 90 minute paper. Okay, so there were 3 sections as usual. Verbal section having MCQ, 30 questions in 30 minutes. ठीक है, while quantitative section short answer type, where there are no options are provided, you have to, you can say, type your answer. There were 10 questions on it. And similarly, if you look at quantitative section, you can say MCQ based, 20 questions, 30 minutes were provided. Okay, so this is a game of intelligence per second. This is the game of competing against large number of students and coming top category of the students. दोस्तों, यहाँ पे टॉप में आना बहुत जरूरी है, yes or no? So दोस्तों, यहाँ पे ये IIM इंदौर का एग्जाम है, जो निर्मा भी सेम ही एग्जाम लेता है, yes or no? So Nirma is not conducting their own examination. Nirma takes the score from this. Okay, so now if you look at the kind of paper, as I mentioned about this paper, okay, now if I tell you what type of questions were asked, you can say, before I delve into a discussion on, you can say, how many marks are needed, let me tell you what type of questions are being asked. So you have application of vocabulary like fill in the blank, word usage, idioms. There were 11 to 12 questions out of 30 questions. RC, only one passage, 6 questions, roughly 450 to 500 words. That is the side. Grammar, there were 5 to 7 questions, which were majorly on sentence correction. Now, what do you mean by sentence correction? There is a sentence provided and there is underlined portion. And that portion may contain some wrong grammar. You have to correct it. Okay. Similarly, logical continuation. That means you need a last line to complete. You need a middle line to complete. Those kind of questions. 3 questions. There were 3 questions on jumbled paragraph. Okay. So that means you have to, you can say, unjumble sentences and make a kind of, you can say, logical coherent paragraph. I think these are easy for you and these are comfortable for you. My dear students, okay, when I talk about preparation for this area, okay, how will you focus on it? We are going to take a separate module on it, but broadly you require good command over vocab, because this is the kind of questions are coming from vocab. Okay, if I put RC, it's also mix of vocab. Okay, so some around 50% से ज़्यादा questions are coming from vocab. Okay, grammar, just a small part of it. Okay, 5 to 7 questions. While you can say the logical part, which is English usage, and logical part, okay, is having a very less weightage, some around 20%. So when I say vocab, it has a lot of weightage. Logic, okay, it has a weightage of some around, you can say, this plus RC, if I consider, then 40%. and then you have, you can say, grammar, which is just a 10 percentage of it. So vocab will be 40 percentage, okay, rather sorry, not 40, but it is some around 50 percentage, okay, and grammar will make it to be some around 10 percentage, okay. So depending upon comfortable for you can try and put your preparation. दोस्तों इसीलिए we are putting a lot of efforts on vocab at this juncture for your preparation, okay. Similarly, if I talk about quant, short answer type, 10 questions are there, and in those 10 questions you were provided 30 minutes, which means for one question you get 3 minutes. That's huge, that's huge, okay. Keep that in mind, ये नंबर को ध्यान रखिएगा, बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट, यू कैन से कितने मार्क्स चाहिए, यू विल नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस नंबर, द 10 क्वेश्चंस 30 मिनट्स, ठीक है. नंबर सिस्टम्स, कॉनिक, लॉग्स, मैट्राइसिस एंड डिटर्मिनेंट्स, तो नंबर सिस्टम के ऊपर 2 मार्क्स, लॉग्स जो अभी अभी हमने कोर्स खत्म किया है लॉग का, ठीक है, ओनली 1 क्वेश्चन. But believe me, that's the kind of efforts will be needed. We spent some around 3 hours. I would want that you spend 3 more hours on practicing on average. For 1 mark, 6 hours of preparation will be needed. Matrices and determinants, maxima, minima, profit and loss, set theory, time speed distance, and permutation combination. These are the kind of questions being asked from this section. And you need to put in lot of efforts for this, okay. So this is 10 questions, 30 minutes, ठीक है. Similarly, if we talk about MCQ based, all these areas, trigo, partnership, mixtures, set theory, data interpretation, divisibility test, series, time speed distance, work and time, average, logs, all areas are there. 20 questions, MCQ based, and 30 minutes. My dear students, ठीक है, this set of questions are not very straightforward. You need to know concept well, and number 2, you should be in a position to apply that in a, okay. So this is very crucial, ठीक है. So दोस्तों, overall if I talk about this particular section category wise, what was the mark needed, दोस्तों आपको पता होगा that ये जो simple और short answer type questions है, they were basically 40 marks, okay, and this is, you can say, some around 80 marks, ठीक है, and this is also 3 into 20, 120 marks, okay. So दोस्तों जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए you have to score 10 में से, okay, so you have to score 50 percentage, okay. शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस कम थे, समय ज़्यादा था, 50% चाहिए, ठीक है. While in quantitative ability, MCQ based questions, I'm sure you understand that you had 20 questions, 30 minutes, ठीक है. People couldn't score more. It is some around 25 percentage marks you were needed, okay. While verbal ability more than 50 percentage, ठीक है. So दोस्तों आपका ये मिनिमम स्कोर की बात है, एंड मिनिमम स्कोर सबसे ज्यादा अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो है आपका वर्बल एबिलिटी. So my dear students, make sure that you are putting right amount of efforts on your verbal ability, okay. This is very important. Similarly, if I talk about quantitative aptitude, short answer type, wherein you should know and you should know the knowledge and the concept behind it. More importantly, look at the topics, ठीक है. Look at the topics. You need to know these topics, ठीक है, because you are not going to get minimum marks. You are not going to go to the next stage. Okay, this is, you can say, a staggered way the approach, and you need to score minimum 50 percentage. So even if you don't like matrices and determinants to work on, or logs or maxima minima, you may think that, look, I don't want to get into this. Possibly you need to get into that, because यहाँ पे you need 50 percentage marks. Yes, दोस्तों आप इसको छोड़ नहीं सकते हो. अगर आपने इस सेक्शन को छोड़ा, मतलब आपने इस टॉपिक्स को छोड़ा तैयारी करने से, बिलीव मी आपको दिक्कत होगी. हालांकि आप जो दूसरे सेक्शन में अगर आप ध्यान दोगे सिर्फ और सिर्फ अरिथमेटिक के ऊपर, या थोड़ा बहुत एल्जीब्रा के ऊपर, या थोड़ा बहुत ज्योमेट्री के ऊपर, आपका काम हो जाएगा. Yes or no? But you can't do the same thing in your next section, which is this short answer type. Okay, so that means you need to know all topics. You can't leave any topic. ठीक है, keep that in mind. Okay, so दोस्तों, this is a minimum score, this is a cutoff. उस cutoff के बाद you can say they had so many students, you can say in each category. ठीक है, आप अपनी कैटेगरी के मुताबिक दुनिया देख सकते हैं और कितने स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाते हैं वो आप देख सकते हैं. ऑन एवरेज if I look at the number general category में they are calling 400 students. ठीक है, for how many seats? Okay, 60 seats. Yes, you can say that's the kind of number you are basically being called for. Okay, so and then you can say the kind of score they calculated, which is you can say a score based on the written score plus you can say 10th and 12th score. ठीक है, this is what the kind of number they got and उस नंबर में उन्होंने करीबन 982 कैंडिडेट्स को बुलाया था. ठीक है, so दोस्तों this was about IIM IPM इंदौर. Let's talk about रोहतक. Okay, so oh sorry, I just missed out to talk about 2019 numbers. 2019 you can say you had 20 questions on short answer type, you got 40 minutes, 40 questions 40 minutes, 40 questions 40 minutes. Okay, ठीक है, that's how the game was. And if I look at the needed here also you can say 20 marks for short answer type. How out of how many? Out of 80. Okay, this is out of 80. Okay, while if I talk about MCQ, this is out of 160. ठीक है, and this is out of 160. Look at verbal ability, it is always around 50%. Okay, it is always around you can say 50%. That means if you are not putting efforts, look at here, it is approximately 25%. ठीक है, while here it is just 20%. ठीक है, that is MCQ based, it's just 20%. So this tells me that look, I cannot miss out on topics like logs, maxima, minima or conics. ठीक है, or determinants and matrices. Okay, or algebra based questions. Okay, quadratic equations, set theory, permutation combination, number systems. I cannot miss out on those. Yes, and similarly I cannot miss out on my vocab. This is very crucial. Okay, ठीक है, so overall this were the kind of numbers you can say we were looking at. Anyway, moving forward, IIM IPM Rohtak, last year the exam pattern was changed. There were two sections. Section 1 was all MCQ, math, English, logic. You can say total 60 questions, quant के, logic के और verbal ability मिलाकर, and you got 45 minutes. ठीक है, 45 minutes, some short time break was there, and then there was written ability test. You have to write 2 essays. Okay, so I think this was easy. Okay, now look at the kind of paper. Okay, so overall if I talk about minimum cutoff needed for you can say section A, that is you can say overall 144. They did not go to individual section, so it is 144. Okay, so which means 60 questions. Okay, 60 questions, each question was carrying 4 marks, so that makes it to 240. Out of 240 you need 144. This is the kind of score you need. Yes, and then obviously your you can say 10th and 12th, that's the kind of minimum marks you were needed. Okay, ठीक है, for a general category if you are scoring 85 plus, it looks good for them. Okay, it looks good for them. So दोस्तों, this is IIM IPM aptitude test Rohtak examination requires you to get 144. ठीक है दोस्तों, if I look at 144 out of 60, I need to get some around you can say 35 right. Okay दोस्तों, अगर मैं मेरी accuracy बहुत अच्छी नहीं मानता हूँ in the examination day, and if I am scoring 80% as my accuracy, believe me, I need to attempt you can say 45 plus so that I can reach to this number. So दोस्तों, जब आप मॉक लिखते हैं, टारगेट करिए कि मिनिमम इतना स्कोर आए. टारगेट करिए कि आप सही तरीके से और आगे बढ़ सके, अपनी पढ़ाई को और बेहतरीन वे में यू कैन से आगे बढ़ा सके. वेरी यू नीड राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन. ठीक है दोस्तों, सही इन्फॉर्मेशन के बेसिस के ऊपर आप आगे बढ़ेंगे. यस और नो? चलिए ग्रेट दोस्तों. सो विद दिस आई एम क्लोजिंग दिस मॉड्यूल. आई होप दिस मॉड्यूल हैज हेल्प्ड. अगर आपको ये पसंद आया हो तो यहाँ पे लाइक करिए इस वीडियो को, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, और आपके कोई भी क्वेरी हो अबाउट IIM IPM feel free and put that into comment section so that we can get to know what kind of videos you like us to make for you. Okay, great, all the best.